Assalamualaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I wanna show you how to change the color of any pattern in Photoshop. You can see here I have this pattern. I have downloaded this pattern from Pinterest. So before starting, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about the designs. Okay, let's start. From here I'm opening Hues Saturation layer. I'm increasing the saturation from here like this. You can see here I can change any of the color. This is red, this is yellow. If I increase the saturation, you can see you can adjust the saturation from here. Green, dark green, sky blue, sea green, blue, dark blue, and purple, pink and red. You can adjust any of the color guys from here, right? And from here you can click on save as and save your image in whether you want to save in PDF or in JPEG or in PNG. You can see here you have JPEG file, PNG and PSD. This is PSD. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates of designs from Dunia Rangeli. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.